What's good, YouTube? It's your boy BG Tech Life, and today we got a case video. Got the case lined up from Speck for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So we're gonna get into these cases, and shout out to Speck. First case, the Presidio Perfect Clear. I know this case been out for a minute on a lot of devices, guys, and I had this case on a lot of devices myself. It's a really nice case, stays clear, and it also offers some protection. Got 13 feet of drop protection. You got the micro bond coating for the bacteria and things of that nature. Clear guarantee, and basically it says the same thing on the back. So we just gonna get the case out. Easy unboxing. So what we got going on here, guys, is a nice clear case, very clean. As you can see, a little Speck branding up in the right hand corner, big cutouts on the bottom, and this is going to be your button press. Now this is like a polycarbonate case, pretty hard to the touch, so it's definitely going to offer some protection. This would it look like on my graphite S23 Ultra, guys. As you can see, we got some more Speck branding on the side. Raised up around the cameras, not super raised up, but there is some protection there. Cutouts are big enough, as you can see. Got a nice big cutout for your S Pen, nice big cutout for your Type-C, and we got a good button press, guys. We got a nice easy button press. Sometimes with these cases, you put these cases on and the button press get harder, the buttons get harder to press, but this is a nice button press. And definitely offering raised lip protection on this case, so a nice clear case if you want some protection for your S23 Ultra. Next up, we got the Presidio Mist, guys. So this is a transparent case, but this is in a darker colorway. And as you can see, same specs as the clear case, guys. These cases are pretty much very close, just different designs with different paint jobs, things of that nature. Now I might like this a lot more on my S23 Ultra because I got that graphite colorway. So this is a nice clean case, guys. Doesn't pick up on fingerprints like that. Nice Speck branding, nice cutouts. As you can see, it's just the same as the last case, but just a different finish. Nice raised lip protection. So this is the perfect mist, guys. So this is definitely something different. Very smooth case, very soft touch case. Last but not least, we got the Presidio Grip 2. Now this is interesting. We get more into the TPU type stuff. Same specs on this case except for the Armor Cloud. You're getting Presidio 2 Armor Cloud technology, protective impact cushion, and resist damage or drop. So very protective case here. Okay, guys, so this is a black case, and as you can see, these lines on the back of the case, these are in 3D. This is no bully right here, guys. This is not just a paint job. They're in 3D. This offers a lot of grip. Grip is the biggest part of drop protection because with grip, you might not drop your case. And we got the nice Speck branding, white, some feet on every corner. Very nice, very protective case. I like this black matte. We got the gloss button press. That's very dope. I like the mixture of matte and gloss. Looks very good on the device, guys. Raised up around the camera. Back branding looks nice. Nice big cutouts on the bottom. And this is nice. It's a soft touch case, but you got a lot of grip. So if you didn't have this grip, it would be slippery. So they did a good job with this case. Got a nice glossy button press, and one of the most important parts, a nice raised lip. So shout out to Speck for sending these cases out. I'll put a link down in the description. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.